You're in court with me when a settlement offer is made, and I spend 45 minutes going through with you all the risks and benefits associated with that particular offer. And now, before you make a decision, you want to make a Lifeline call to your best friend or to your spouse to see whether or not you should take that. Is that a good idea? Would you like to learn the answer? Come join me as I share with you this great information. Hi, I'm Gerry Oginski. I'm a New York medical malpractice and personal injury trial lawyer practicing law here in the state of New York. Here's the scenario. We're at a pretrial conference. I ask you to come into court with me because there's a likelihood that the defense is going to make an offer, and I want you there so that we can now discuss it. During the course of settlement discussions, I now come out to you and present the defense's offer. I then spend 45 minutes going through and explaining to you the risks associated with accepting the offer as well as not accepting the offer. And now it's up to you to make a decision because you ultimately will control whether or not to accept such an offer. And before you make that decision, you turn around and say, hey, you know what? I need to get somebody else's opinion. Is that a good idea? The answer is no, and let me tell you why. It's not a good idea because whoever it is that you're calling has not had the benefit of our entire discussion. All the time that we just spent, all the information, all the advice that I just shared with you, now has to be transmitted in a truncated fashion by you to whoever it is that you're making that phone call to. And I guarantee you there is no possible way that you're going to transmit all that information to whoever is on the phone in a short period of time. There's just no way you'll be able to do that. The downside to that is that the person on the telephone is now expected to tell you whether or not you should accept or reject the offer. The problem is they don't have sufficient information to help you make an educated decision about whether or not the settlement offer is right or is not right. So why do I share this great information with you? You know, it's a beautiful wintry day here in Great Neck. It's freezing outside. I wanted to share this great information with you, and that's why I'm dressed casually. I've got the fireplace going. And the reality is that when a settlement offer is made, it's critical that I explain to you everything that goes on about taking the offer. I'll give you my recommendation, and I'll give you my opinion about what I think you should do. Ultimately, it'll be your decision what you want to do next. So, you know, I realize you have questions or concerns about your own particular matter. Well, if you're considering bringing a lawsuit, whether it's for medical malpractice, for an accident case, or a wrongful death matter, and you do have legal questions, what I encourage you to do is pick up the phone and call me. I can answer your legal questions. This is something I do every single day, and I'd love to talk to you. You can reach me at 516-487-8207 or by email at Gerry, Gerry, at oginski-law.com. That's it for today's quick video. I'm Gerry Oginski. Have a wonderful day.